Hey there guys, welcome to my workshop. It's been a little while since I've done a quick tip video, so I wanted to give you a quick tip, and I've changed them to come out on Tuesdays because it makes sense. Quick tip Tuesday. I mean, what gives? So, I've had a couple people ask me about what do I do with my caulking tubes, how do I store them, because if you don't know already, I made a storage shelf for these caulking tubes. It's got a bunch of holes. You can click the link in the description or the card above to go check that video out, but I want to show you real quick what I do. So honestly, it's quite simple. When you're done using your caulk, a lot of times you might be using your finger to try to smooth the caulking out, or use your finger to clean this off, or maybe use a cloth. But what I find is using some plastic. Now, this is a little sandwich bag. You can use this, wiping your finger off of it. It just really works easily, and I think it works better than using paper towels or even just wet cloths. Same thing here. You kind of don't want to get water in this tube, so using a piece of plastic like this or like a grocery bag is a really quick way to get rid of that caulk. But to store the tip, there are some things you can buy to actually put on the ends of these, but what I've found to be most effective are these little red wire nuts, and you can pick these up at your local hardware store. Very inexpensive, and the thing about these, the red ones fit perfectly. All you gotta do is put it on there, twist it, push on it, and it actually does get tight, and it creates a pretty nice airtight seal. This works really good. I had this sitting on my shelf for about a month or so, and I went back to use it. It was still perfectly usable, and I didn't even have a hard tip. In fact, right now it's still wet on the tip. Wonderful. Now I gotta wipe my finger off. So besides me getting some caulk on my finger, this is your quick tip for today. Use your wire nut to store the tip of your caulking tubes really quick and very effectively. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.